Hey coffee friends, it's Logan Maltese here for MajestyCoffee.com. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Oscar II, giving you a few pro tips to get the most out of your machine. Let's get started. The first thing I want to say about the Oscar II is the build quality is just incredible. Very exciting. The stainless steel finish looks great, very professional for your home, office, cafe. The steam wand is professional grade quality, and actually the tip on it is competition grade quality. It's the same one that I used competing in the US Barista Champs on the Victoria Arduino Black Eagle. It's going to give you great power. The copper heat exchange boiler allows you to brew and steam at the same time. A great pro tip about the steam wand is it is very fast and very powerful, which in my opinion is fantastic. Something to know is that you can slowly bend back that steam lever so as to start slow and ramp your way up to full pressure. So start slow, push back to ramp up to full pressure. Or if you're making something like a macchiato or a cappuccino, a smaller amount of milk, stay right here in that low pressure zone, and you may find that works better for you. Another tip I have is to upgrade your portafilter to a bottomless portafilter so you can really see your shots in action, check on the crema while it's developing, and really get the most out of being able to control the way your espresso is being extracted. Place your cups on the top on the heat warmer to make sure there's the least amount of exchange when you're brewing into your cup. You want it to stay nice and warm so that when your espresso hits the cup, it isn't immediately cooled, because then the flavor will change before you are allowed to consume it, or before you want to introduce the milk for completing your beverage. Basically, what is good about keeping your cups on this heater is when you go to pull your espresso, it'll keep your espresso nice and warm. There won't be any significant changes in your flavor until you finish steaming your milk, and then you can introduce the milk, have a nice well-rounded beverage, and it won't get too cool too quickly before serving. Another pro tip is going to be making sure to remove your water reservoir. Emptying it, reaching your hand inside there and cleaning it out just to get any muck out of there that occasionally will develop, aka lime scale. I have another video out for you if you want to descale your machine, but in between descalings, a simple cleaning will suffice. You're going to want to backflush your machine at least once a day if you're using it consistently, and that will help prolong the life of your machine. My last tip would be, when programming your single and double doses, would be to program for longer than you'd actually like the shot to extract, because personally I like to watch my shot, and I know that a variety of factors will affect each shot differently: the atmospheric pressure of the day, the temperature, etc., etc. So program for a longer amount of time than you actually want. You press the control and you turn it off so that you can watch your shots in action and control when you want to stop your shot. All right, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for tuning in for these pro tips. Head over to MajestyCoffee.com to snag this Oscar II from Nuova Simonelli and many more awesome home and cafe espresso machines and grinders. Our customer support team is standing by to help you make the right decision. We'll see you next time.